Okay, I've got my board hooked up again to the LED. That's the Raspberry Pi that's running it. This is what my desktop looks like. Got some Python code over here that I won't let you look at for too long because I'm sure it's not very good as I'm new to Python. But I will execute this code. It asks me to enter some code, or some text rather. So I'll type test me now. And then I'll hit enter, but I'll look down here first. And it's blinking it out in Morse code. And you can see some of my test stuff in my code. And yeah, mission accomplished tonight.